Hi, it's Lianne from Beam, and I'm really excited to announce that we've got a new initiative going on with Beam. So regularly, whether it's when I'm training, delivering workshops, giving therapy to clients, I often get the same sort of questions asked to me repeatedly. And I've had people say to me repeatedly, you should be an agony aunt, or I wish I had a Lianne in my pocket, or I wish I could have asked you this question before. And so what we've decided is to set up a facility where you can email us any question at all, and then every week I will answer on video one of those questions. The email is coming up below, so if you have a burning desire to know how to boost your well-being, how to feel happier, how to handle a difficult relationship, how to get over a trauma that you've experienced, anything at all, then I will answer that question for you, and if needs be, also point you in the right direction to get further help too. Get in touch and we will do everything we can to help you. Thank you.